Meaning of harrow.
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 Harrow. Harrow can have a few different meanings depending on the context. One meaning of harrow is a farming tool used to break up and smooth out soil before planting crops. Another meaning of harrow is to inflict great distress or torment upon someone. When referring to the farming tool, using a harrow on soil can create a more even surface for planting and help eliminate clumps or debris. However, when using harrow in the sense of tormenting someone, it can cause emotional pain and suffering. Overall, harrow can have positive or negative results depending on its use.